IBM Concert is a new platform that brings together numerous tools and capabilities to provide agentic operations at scale. It provides modules for observability, security, and operations, providing a full breadth of capabilities for all IT operations. Concert acts as an operational control plane, augmenting your existing tools without having to replace them. It leverages AI to provide a correlated understanding of your entire IT estate that can be used to assist in decision making by providing insights into what actually matters, and then providing AI-powered orchestration to respond or act on issues. Concert Protect is the security module of the IBM Concert platform. Equipped with an understanding of your entire IT estate, Concert Protect is able to provide a view of risk and impact that is personalized for your specific environment. Concert can deduplicate issues and prioritize based on business-aware risk, thereby optimizing your response to focus on what really matters. However, the real power of Concert lays in its automated remediation. Leveraging AI and equipped with the knowledge of your IT estate, Concert can provide automated remediation guidance for a variety of issues, including vulnerabilities and exposures. With the capability to be integrated into your change management approval chain, Concert can even execute workflows to fix issues in code or even patch production systems. An example of our remediation flow is shown here. Concert first can correlate scans from multiple tools, including frontier models like Mythos, to provide a unified view of vulnerabilities and exposures, all the way from code through infrastructure and runtimes. Combine this with the understanding of your IT estate, and that correlated view is then passed in your AI of choice, with IBM Bob being included by default. With all of this correlated understanding, AI is used to deduplicate and prioritize vulnerabilities by business impact. Concert can then provide remediation guidance in the form of generated tickets, code fixes, or even patching of systems. Unit tests can be included in the workflow to validate the fix and reduce errors. Most enterprises will spend weeks or even months to scan, triage, and fix vulnerabilities. Concert can help automate this process down to minutes. Let's take a look now on how Concert actually works. On the screen, we have our arena view, which is the graphical representation of some of the relationships that Concert is able to comprehend and map. We have 7 applications that we're mapping, where we can trace what build artifacts there are, what repositories it's connected to, what environments it's running on, as well as even the access points that are connected to it. Furthermore, we've uploaded a few vulnerability scans, both DAST type scans as well as SAS type scans. There are 3 ways to bring data into Concert. You can upload an SBOM, you can define some of these components manually, or Concert even has auto discovery capabilities where we can connect to an environment like AWS or Kubernetes and discover some of these components. With the knowledge of your IT estate, Concert is now able to help you automate vulnerability management. The very first thing Concert will do is deduplicate vulnerabilities. You can see from our original upload of scans, we had 62,785 vulnerabilities in our scans. Concert looks across your IT estate, deduplicates, and we are now left with 5,314 that we now have to go and address. The second step in this process is automated triage. Rather than rely purely on CVSS score, Concert has its own exploitability score that takes into factor things like criticality, your environmental factors, exploitability from connection to our X-Force Red database, and provides a personalized exploit score for your specific IT environment. Furthermore, if we now look at one of these vulnerabilities, you can see Concert leverages AI to understand this vulnerability, understand the various exploit vectors, and understand even the blast radius of a vulnerability and what components and packages are specifically impacted. Concert can take that exploitability score and create a ticket into your change management system of choice, whether that be GitHub, Jira, or ServiceNow. It is an AI generated ticket, so all the contents are fully generated for you. One of the key capabilities of Concert is the ability to automatically remediate vulnerabilities. Concert has multiple AI agents under the covers that can help users fix vulnerabilities in code, upgrade packages, or even patch production systems. In the example on the screen, Concert is recommending that 4 packages be updated to resolve 45 vulnerabilities. Concert will generate a full remediation workflow, which includes cloning the repository, generating a comprehensive plan and analysis, as well as including unit testing to ensure that it has been successful. As you can see, Concert has analyzed the code base and is recommending that rather than the upgrade to 4.06, that a upgrade to version 2.718 will be lower risk. Concert takes into consideration things like package dependencies, the testing required, as well as even things like the deprecation of APIs to come to its conclusion. And you can see that Concert is saying a upgrade to version 2.718 will be low risk and only take a couple hours, whereas a full upgrade to version 4.06 will have package dependencies that will need to be resolved, as well as be a much more time intensive in terms of testing. Once we decide to execute this actual upgrade, Concert will do the actual upgrade of the package, retest to ensure that the vulnerabilities have been fixed, run validation tests to ensure that nothing is breaking, and then generate the pull request for you that could be now integrated into your normal change management practice.